Let her be.
Bentley. You quite long. Let's see how that is showing the shoes like back home. Maybe you could teach me how to do this.
The needle is sharp, so you have to be careful so that it doesn't pierce you.
So now it should start to have a shape. Oh, that part ripped off.
Yeah.
Man, if they make the sole of this thing to be a little bit soft, also it can it hold or it's gonna even rip the more.
Soft.
So when if you tie like this,
That's the ending.
it's the ending, okay.
I need something to cut.
Mama don't look scissors, see the play. Oh, you didn't cut that. Okay, you have to just pull it out. So is the gum even coming out? Because you bought the other boot, you don't like it.
Yeah. I'm repairing this until to make sure.